Hello everybody! Today I'm doing a Amazon package unboxing. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, this is a Squishville I do not have. So I got this package. I don't know what's in store. So let's get started. It's a big box. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this box. It's pretty big. So let's open it. Take my scissors. Be careful with your scissors. Oh my. Okay. Oof. Oh my gosh. It is, but I don't have it. Don't have these. Okay. 1 second. Alrighty. You guys. Look at these. It's one I do not have. Okay. Welcome to Squishville, a irresistibly soft world bursting with personality, just like the adorable squishmallows that live here. Welcome to the Blue Seas Inn on the Squishville Boardwalk. This plush 5-starfish hotel is known for its outrageous pool parties and luxe accommodations. Squish tourist Tiff into her suitcase and roll her into the lobby for check-in. After a quick nap and touch-up in the fabulous second-floor suite, squish into the luscious hot pink lip lounger in the third-floor party room where DJ Sasha spins the hottest beats. Spins the hottest beats. And no visit is complete without a dip in the rooftop pool and a nap in one of the cabanas. Relax and unwind at your home away from home. Enjoy your stay at the Blue Seas Inn. Cute. So this is the Blue Seas Inn. Let's open it up. That's really cute. All the Squishville like designs. There's tape over here. I don't know who DJ Sasha is, but the Squishville that comes in this are like Tiff and Balia, the butterfly. So that's why I needed it. Look, here's the lobby, the floor, and the pool. Oh my god! It's like a couch. That's cute. Yeah. Alrighty. Wow, it's very, look at this. Is this DJ Sasha? No. That's cute. The Squishville are really cute for, like, kids' toys. But I'm not the biggest fan of these houses type. I just like the Squishville that come inside of it. Oh, but this couch is really cute. That's adorable. Okay, I'm gonna cut out the butterfly. Pretty sure this is Balia. Look at her. She's pretty small. I love that. That's really cute. And then Tiff is like a rainbow peacock. But she looks really cute up here. So I think I'm going to leave her in here. That's really cute. Honestly, that's all I have for this video. The Squishville Blue Seas Inn. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share some love. Follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on TikTok. And I also have a YouTube channel. And I would love to see people, if they come from others of my accounts. So like if you're from TikTok and you see me on Instagram, say hello. Leave a comment, please. Because I love liking your comments and I always respond to them. So yeah. Also, I'll leave a link to this from Amazon down below if you're interested. So don't forget to check out the description. And also don't forget to have a great rest of your week, everyone. Bye!